Opisyal ng Pasinayan ng inaugurasyon ng 21st GR Bank Branch king syudad ning Balanga king Bataan. Itiniing katlong branch ning bangko king mesabing lalawigan. Positibo yung GR Bank na mas marakal pang negosyante asakloan ng micro, small and medium enterprises in Misopan. Ay ning balita ng Patricia Mamangon.
Kareng kabalen king Bataan ang magnasang mibuklat negosyo o kaya naman palawakan pa ing puhunan. Opisyal ning Pasinayan ning pamamuklat ning kadwampulot meto nga branch ning Guagua Rural Bank o GR Bank king Barangay San Jose, syudad ning Balanga. Iti ang katlong branch ng GR Bank king mesabing probinsya. Tegunan ding grand opening ng GR Bank reng mangata sa opisyal ning bangko, representante ibat king Bangko Sentral, reng kliyente, stakeholders at reng lokalamanong kulan ning Balanga City king pamanimuna ng Mayor Francis Anthony Garcia. Agpang kang Elizabeth Carlos Timbol, Executive Vice President at Chief Operating Officer ning bangko, patunay kanu iti na balaos ing pamagtiwala da reng memalen king kumpanya king aspetong pangpinansya kilub ning 60 at banwa.
GR Bank was established in 1954. This is already our 21st branch and 63 years in banking operations, and we're catering to MSMEs, which is the micro small enterprises.
Prioridad ng GR Bank na antabayanan reng negosyante asaklo ning micro, small and medium enterprise lalo pat reti reng bubuo king 90% ning ekonomiya ning metong komunidad.
We'll feel blessed and fortunate because firstly because we want to go nearer to our clients. We want to serve more MSMEs wherein we can be a part of their success.
At ulik tuturing niyang sentro in syudad ning Balanga king probinsya ning Bataan. Kumpiyansa ay Mayor Garcia na tangkilikan de ing GR Bank reng kayang constituents sa interesadong mag-loan at mag-invest keti.
Well, we are very grateful to GR Bank and to the Carlos family for putting a branch of GR Bank here in Balanga. Balanga is the capital and the center of the province of Bataan. So from here, they can service all their clients in the whole of province of Bataan. So very nice location, very peaceful, and also very progressive, kagaya po nung nasabi kanina. We have very great growth in businesses, but at the same time, minamanage naman correctly. So very great but manageable growth po.
Banwang 1954 inyang mitalakading Guagua Rural Bank at kilog ning migit na madekada ginuli siyang lagyu iti king pamanyo porta kareng magumpisang negosyo at reng micro, small and medium entrepreneurs. Ako po Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang totoo king Balen, susuyo.